Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our friends and loved ones on YouTube. How are you guys doing today on this Saturday? Well, for the last, well, pretty much every time, I always speak to you guys and let you guys know that there is manipulations, there is corruption going around everywhere. Um, and I've been trying to wake up people and show you guys. Not only have I told you guys my testimony, I also try to bring evidence and videos, proof of the things happening. So, as here, I'm gonna show you something real quick. As you guys could see, if you see my couple videos, watch this. Okay, watch right here. Look right here. So my stop loss, my take profits being moved. Earlier, my stop loss was getting moved and changed. Like I had mentioned to you guys, there is algorithms that brokers use to bring in orders into their platform. Okay, it's not anything different than going to Walmart and scanning items or when you're buying something. Because remember, it's the market is where people go and buy and sell and interact. The broker makes a little bit of something for the interaction of the buy and the sell. Okay? So before I trade brokers, like I said, and I will let you guys know what broker I'm doing. So if this is happening to me, I'm sure there is a good chance that this is happening to you as well. So for me personally, I said screw it. Before I pull out my money, I'm gonna trade one last trade and pull out my money and go into a new broker. Because first and foremost, you know what I mean, they don't have the right to manipulate the market. They don't got the right or authority to manipulate your accounts. You know what I mean? Because I said this is your money. You know what I mean? Their broker accounts are like financial institution. There is a fiduciary trustees and duties and obligations that are being broken. Okay? Um Hold on. Okay. Um no, I showed you guys last time how through through software analytics, I will show you guys how almost 20 some $1,000 was pulled out of the account. You know what I mean? Um, so this are serious matters. But I wanted to just show you guys. Look at that. I was gonna take $65 and turn it into 600. Hold on. We were gonna make it into 636 or something. Okay? You think the market likes that? You think the market's gonna let you get paid, cash out? You know what I mean? And the reason why I took a long trade, first and foremost, you always buy the dip. If it's going in the trend direction that you want it to go to. That's something that people forget. You don't always fucking buy the dip if the coin's in a downtrend. If it's in a downtrend, you lick your wounds and you move to the next thing. However, if the dip is going in the trend and in the direction that you're going overall, then for sure double up, triple up, fucking do it, stack it. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys why I did that. Okay. And let me know if you guys can see my screen. Comment below if you guys could see my screen. I don't know who is seeing this video right now. If you guys are seeing this, please let me know so I could continue with the presentation. Okay. So Let me. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to look for something real quick. Um, because for some reason now my browser internet's taking a little longer than it should. Um, so while that happens, okay. Okay, so as you're seeing my scanner, what my scanner in the settings that I have, it's tracking trend direction, it's tracking volume, it's tracking price action. Okay, so that's what my scanner is doing simultaneously. All do a lot of other pairs if I wanted to. For right now, it's only the weekend, so it only does. I'm only going in the cryptocurrencies, so it doesn't waste all that CPUs to run that. But as you guys could see on the weekly and monthly, we are green, showing that we are in the uptrend. So the dip really is a pullback. How do I know that? Because of the green dot. What does that green dot indicate for me? It indicates that my 20, my 50, my 200, my 800, whatever EMAs I'm using, it's going in the up direction trend. Okay? What is so from the daily to the 5 minute, we're in a little pullback, you know what I mean? Like I said, we're downtrend, but the daily showing uptrend. So I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. Okay, so let's go into a daily. Down here, remember yesterday, if you guys saw my video yesterday, this right here indicates a peak performance low. Okay, that's it right here. So just to get, you see how they changed it? Look at that. Okay. Why? Because they don't want me to take 60 some dollars and turn it into 600 and some dollars. Because what's my ROI? I'm getting 11 times my investment. Okay? Remember, brokers are not your friends. Okay, so back to my analysis. So there's uptrend. So here we will be getting a mustard range reached. Okay. What are we going for? I'm not going to an all-time high on XRP. And what my intentions on this, because like I said, you see a daily right here. You see right here, right where this X is. It caught a win down. Okay, it didn't break my mailed line. It bounced off it, so that's a good indication that at least it would bounce back up to my water level. Okay, so That's what's happening with the broker that I'm using right now. I'm getting, and that's the reason I'm doing this video right now, because I'm getting ready to upload it on our YouTube channel and send it to him and say, hey, motherfucker, you guys are about to have a lot of people. Look at that. They keep changing it. They keep changing it. You know, nobody's giving you guys authority to go into my accounts and take away. Okay. Modifying TP. It should modify. Let's see. So we're going back to the stop. Okay. Because here already got the. These are levels of where we take profits and stuff like that. You've seen there's a lot of volume. There's a lot of volume. So I just wanted to do this quick little video so I could have some more evidence when I send it to my broker and saying, hey, motherfucker, we guys caught you guys moving and changing my stop losses, changing my take profits without any authority. So not only am I going to pull out my money, I'm going to let everybody know who is the broker so they could go out and pull out their money. You know, because we need to get some good, legit brokers. So, peace, love, and abundance be upon y'all.